We're out here in Wakanda taking care of a solar panel install, and I want to show you a little bit about what's going on here. Right now in the background here, we are setting up our layout for our panels, and we're going to be doing an 8.14 kilowatt system, and I believe that's about 22 panels we're going to be installing here. We have a SolarEdge inverter going in, and I'll show you a little bit more about what's going on. We'll send you some drone photos, get you a little shot here and there. So right now in the beginning, we're doing our layout for our panels. So we measure everything up, we have the size of our panels we're marking off on the roof, and then we find all the roof rafters and we set up our mount and rail system, and we'll be installing panels today. So as we set up our layout, it's very important to determine where the panels are going to sit. So we have a panel here, a panel here, a panel here, a panel here. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be finding our roof rafters and securing our mounts into there, and then our rail system goes across that, so where we adjust our position for our panels. And we also have our offset that we have to work with. So there's fire codes, there's village codes, there's a bunch of different things we got to worry about, and it's all about safety for somebody in case they have to access the roof. So we have to follow every village's guidelines. So as you can see here, we have all of our rails in place, and this system uses optimizers, and each panel gets its own optimizer. And what we do is we label them, and then we also have the serial number and the QR code on top, so that way in case there is a system issue, we know exactly what panel is coming up with code. So as you could tell with that drone footage and the video back here, we are all done with our install today. So we just got finished pairing the system up, and as soon as we get permission from the city, our permits inspection passed, send in the ComEd, get that to complete, get permission to operate, this system will be producing power and saving these people money. Stay tuned for more, folks. Juan Vasquez, Phoenix Exteriors, 630-677-7663. Take care.